Here are 10 side hustle ideas to make money. Number 1. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting or dog walking services. Number 2. House cleaning or organizing. Offer house cleaning or organizing services to busy families or individuals. Number 3. Delivery services. Partner with local businesses or online platforms to offer delivery services for food, packages, or other items. Number 4. Personal shopping or styling. Offer personal shopping or styling services for people who need help putting together outfits or finding the right clothes for special occasions. Number 5. Handyman or repair services. Offer handyman or repair services for household tasks like fixing leaky faucets, painting, or installing shelves. Number 6. Photography or videography. If you have a talent for capturing memories through photos or videos, offer your services for events, portrait sessions, or other occasions. Number 7. Freelance web or app development. Use your technical skills to offer web or app development services for businesses and individuals. Number 8. Content creation. Create and sell content such as digital products, online courses, or ebooks. Number 9. Event planning or coordination. Offer event planning or coordination services for weddings, parties, or other special events. Number 10. Social media management. Use your knowledge of social media platforms to offer social media management services for businesses. Remember, these are just a few ideas. There are many more side hustles that you can explore and start depending on your skills and interests. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.